In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a column in Smartsheet step by step. This is a super useful trick if you're working with large sheets and you want to copy data, structure, or formatting from one column to another without rebuilding everything from scratch. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or organizing data, this method will save you time and keep your sheets consistent. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Smartsheet sheet where you want to duplicate a column. Make sure you're in grid view so you can see all your columns clearly. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to identify the column you want to duplicate. This can be any column that already has data in it, like names, numbers, dates, or any other values you want copied over. Next, click directly on the header of the column you want to duplicate. This selects the entire column. After the column is selected, right-click on the column header. From the menu that appears, click on the option to copy the content. This copies all the values from that column so you can paste them into a new one. Now that the content is copied, you need to create a new column where the duplicated data will go. To do this, right-click again on the same column header or on the column next to where you want the duplicate to appear. In the menu, click on Insert Column Right. This will open the column settings window. In the column settings, choose text or number as the column type, depending on what kind of data you're duplicating. For most basic columns, text or number works perfectly. Once you've selected the column type, click on Apply. This creates a brand new empty column right next to the original one. Now comes the final step. Click into the first cell of the new column you just created. Right-click and paste the content you copied earlier. Smartsheet will paste all the values into the new column, effectively duplicating the original column's data. And that's it. You've successfully duplicated a column in Smartsheet. This method works great when you need a quick copy of data without affecting the original column. If this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.